Hello students, in this video,
Question number 15. If A transpose is 4, 5, minus 1, 0, 2, 3. Matrix B is 2, minus 1, 1, 7, 5, minus 2. Verify the following. That is, we have to prove A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. We have to prove this. A we have to find. A transpose plus B transpose, that is equal to B transpose plus A transpose. That's what we have to prove. So we need matrix A. LHS is A plus B transpose. A transpose is given. A transpose is 4, 5, minus 1, 0, 2, 3. How do you find from A transpose the matrix A? There is a rule A transpose is equal to A. A transpose is equal to A. So take the transpose of this. See, A transpose is this. Take the transpose of this. So what is the matrix A? Take the transpose of this 4. Transpose means what? Change rows to columns, columns to rows. So first column 4 minus 1 2 will become the first row. First column will become the first row. Second column will become the second row. First column will become the first row. So this is your matrix A. So we took the transpose of A transpose, we get the matrix A. Now we have to find A plus B. That means add 4, minus 1, 2, 5, 0, 3 plus matrix B. Matrix B is 2, minus 1, 1, 7, 5, minus 2. Add these two matrices. What do you get? 4 plus 2, 6. Corresponding elements. 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 7, 12. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So this is your A plus B. Now you have to find the transpose of this. So A plus B transpose means the first column will become first row. Second column will become second row. Third column will become third row. So this is A plus B transpose. Now we have to find the RHS. A transpose plus B transpose. This is A transpose 4, 5, minus 1, 0 and 2, 3. 2, 3. What is B transpose? Matrix B is this. The B transpose will be 2, 7. First column will become first row. Minus 1, 5. Then 1 minus 2. Just take the transpose of matrix B. Add this. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 5, 12. Minus 1 is minus 2. 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So we have proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. What about B transpose plus A transpose? Same thing you will get, right? What is B transpose? 2, 7. Write B transpose first. 1 minus 2 plus A transpose 4, 5, minus 1, 0, 2, 3. So it is equal to 6, 12, minus 2, 5, 3, 1. So we have proved now the first part of the question, that is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. What is A minus B? A minus B. What do you get? 4 minus 2, 2. Then minus 1. Change the sign here. Minus 1 plus 1. You're subtracting, so change the sign. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Then 5 minus 7, minus 2. Then 0 minus 5, minus 5. 3 plus 2, 5. A minus B transpose. So take the transpose of this. What do you get? First column will become first row. 0 minus 5, 1, 5. That is your A minus B transpose. Now we have to find A transpose minus B transpose. What is A transpose? Here. Minus B transpose. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 5 minus 7, minus 2. Then minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 minus 5, minus 5. Then 2 minus 1, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. Are they equal? Yes, isn't it? So A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Third part of the question is B transpose transpose is equal to B. What is B transpose? First column will become first row. Second column will become second row. 1 minus 2. This is B transpose. What is the transpose of it? Take the transpose again. First column will become first row. 7, 5, minus 2. It is equal to B itself. That is equal to B. So we have proved. Question number 16. If A is a 3 by 4 matrix, B is a matrix such that both A transpose B and B A transpose are defined. What is the order of the matrix B? See, A matrix order is given as, what is the order of A matrix? 3 by 4. B matrix we don't know. Order of B, what is the order of B is the question. A transpose B is defined. A product A transpose B is defined. What is the order of A transpose? What is the order of A transpose? 4 by 3. Columns will become rows, rows will become columns. Now, they have given A transpose into B is defined. So, when will you say it is defined? What is the condition? A transpose. What is the order of A transpose? 4 by 3. Matrix B, we don't know. So, let us take it as M by N. We don't know the order of the matrix B. But because they have said A transpose into B is defined, that means the matrix multiplication is defined. When will you say matrix multiplication is defined? When the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So that means what? The number of columns of the first matrix. See, they have given A transpose B is defined. That means 4 by 3 and here M by N you write. Now because it is defined, the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. That means it is very clear M is equal to 3. We need M by N, isn't it? Order of B we have taken as M by N. We found M. Now we have to find N. So use the second condition. What is the second condition? B A transpose is defined. This is the second condition. B A transpose. What is the order of B we have taken? M by N. What is A transpose? 4 by 3. So B A transpose is defined means the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Listen again, number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. This implies N is equal to 4. So we have found M and also we found N. That means order of B is, what is the order of B? M by N. What is M? 3. What is N? 4. So that's all. They ask you to find what is the order of the matrix B. So the order of the matrix B is 3 by 4. Next concept is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix and skew symmetric. We define the symmetric and skew symmetric only for square matrices. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. You know to find A transpose. If you take A transpose and if it is equal to A itself, then we say the matrix is symmetric. Now when will you say a matrix is skew symmetric? A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. So when will you say it is symmetric? If A transpose is equal to A, and is skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. Now, one more important theorem. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A transpose is symmetric always. So learn this theorem. A plus A transpose, if you take, it is always symmetric. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. So three things you learned. Symmetric matrix is A is equal to A transpose, and skew symmetric is A is equal to minus A transpose, or A transpose is equal to minus A. And always A plus A transpose is symmetric. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. That is the third thing. Fourth important thing is we can write a square matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. A square matrix, for example, you take A, we can always write it as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. How do you write? You can write A as half A plus half A, isn't it? Now, with this half A, add transpose and here subtract. The value has not changed, right? You added A transpose here and you have subtracted. And we already know that A plus A transpose is symmetric. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. So we can write the matrix A as half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. So how do you write a square matrix as a skew symmetric and symmetric matrix? Half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. Now, what is the next sum? As the following matrices as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So first one, matrix A is 4 minus 2, 3 minus 5. Now what's the question here? You have to write this matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So how do you write? Half of A plus A transpose, this is symmetric, plus half of A minus A transpose. So that's the question here. Write as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. This is symmetric. Just now I told you this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. So let us find A transpose of this. So what is A transpose? What do you do for A transpose? Column will become row. So 4, 3, minus 2, minus 5. This is your A transpose. Now add. What is A plus A transpose? A plus A transpose. What is that equal to? 8 minus 2 plus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 5 minus 5, minus 10. What is A minus A transpose? Subtract. What do you get? 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 2 minus 3, minus 5. Then 3, sign, change the sign. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 5, change the sign. Plus 5, 0. So this is your A plus A transpose. This is A minus A transpose. So matrix A is half of A plus A transpose is 8, 1, 1, minus 10. plus half of 0 minus 5, 5, 0. That's all. So we have written the matrix A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. The value of A has not changed actually, because this will get cancelled, you get A only. Next is matrix A is, how should you write? As a sum of symmetric. So symmetric matrix is A plus A transpose by half, plus skew symmetric is A minus A transpose. So let us find A transpose. What is A transpose? 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2. Now add them and write here half, add. What do you get? 6, 1, minus 5. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 plus 2, 4. Now subtract. What do you get now? 3 minus 3, 0. 3, change the sign here. Plus 2, 5. Minus 1, change the sign here. Plus 4, become plus 3. What about here? Minus 2, minus 3. Minus 5. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 1 minus 5 will become plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 3. Minus 5 minus 1. Minus 6. 2 minus 2, 0. So we have written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That's all.